The fall market is full of serious buyers and sellers, but only if you're ready for them. Is your pipeline ready to handle the rush? Fall can be one of the best seasons for real estate. People want to move before the holidays, interest rates often stabilize, and inventory shifts create opportunities. But if your database is messy or you're not actively nurturing your leads, you're going to miss deals. In this video, I'll share 3 simple steps to get your pipeline fall ready so you can close more before year end. Number 1, clean and organize your database. Update contact info, remove dead leads, segment into hot, warm, and cold prospects. Number 2, re-engage warm leads with value. Send market updates or seasonal tips. Are you still planning to move before the holidays? Number 3, refill the top of your funnel. Run fall focus ads, home value, move before the holidays, hold local events, or market update webinars. Don't wait for the fall market to pick up. By then, it's too late to catch up. Start cleaning your database, reconnecting with warm leads, and filling your pipeline now. Need help creating a fall lead re-engagement plan or scripts? Message me and I'll share my favorite fall ready template.